As an example, we can also give the binary ADA channel like we had it for the multiple access channel. Of course, this is also a multiple access channel, but now we consider the case if we do the addition with modular 2. That means 1 plus 1 is 0 again. And we assume that both get the same output. Then, of course, we already know by our previous consideration of the multiple access channel that we can achieve this rate pairs here. So the sum is always below 1. But that's exactly what we can achieve by the TDMA bound. We can just do time sharing. So at one point, for example, receiver encoder 2 is just sending a 0 and X1 can send everything. At the other point, X1 is sending 0 and the other can send everything. And in this way, we can also achieve this bound.